Quantum physics is the study of matter and energy, and in this video I'm going to explain how it relates to fifth-dimensional manifesting. Quantum physics describes the physical properties of nature on the scale of atoms and subatomic particles. Basically, it's the study of how and why everything that makes up the universe and everything in it, both the seen as well as the unseen, is derived and composed of energy or light. Quantum physicists refer to this energy in terms of wave forms of probability, meaning that an infinite number of possibilities are available and could happen when a person focuses their mind on one or more of those possibilities. All things in existence at their core are comprised of one vibrating mass of pure energy, regardless if it's in the form of waves or particles. Energy takes 3D form, or a wave of probability becomes physical matter, based on thoughts and beliefs or intent focus of personal energy. Matter and spirit are one, and the enlightened teachers of our history knew this to be true. Everything in your physical world, including you, is made from the one spirit or one energy. If you want to experience something different, quantum physics tells us that we can refocus our individualized energy and join it with the energy of that experience. What you want to manifest is already a part of you. It is a part of the one energy. Ask yourself, where in this sea of energetic possibility are you in regards to the life that you would like to live? All possibilities are available in this one sea of energy. Everything is connected. Therefore, you have the power to change what parts of this energy you experience in your life. Energy is composed of waves. When you focus on a specific wave or probability, you meet it in experience. Your personal energetic waves are transmuted through your mind and body, through your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. Particles of matter act and respond from their energetic level to the energetic level of our thoughts and beliefs, as that is where they meet on an interconnected source level. In other words, the one sea of energy, the initial wave forms of energy, transmute into subatomic particles which are directly affected and take form based on the thoughts and beliefs of the person thinking them. As these particles form, they attract additional particles that harmonize with their vibrational frequency and manifest into the physical things that can be seen and observed in physical form. Simply put, everything in your life is the result of the kind and quality of your consciousness. Change your focus and you'll change your life, because your new energy will match up with the energetic waves of your new focus and take form as physical experience. The right of free will gives you the ability to decide what you will predominantly focus on. You can choose to believe you are a victim of circumstance, or you can choose to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the life you would like to manifest as physical experience. The greatest force in the universe is your consciousness, because your consciousness has the ability to connect with any type of energy it chooses through practice and repetition, and harmonize its energetic waves with other energetic waves of a like nature, and create that as the physical experience. Your consciousness is an intricate part of all consciousness. It is a part of the divine mind of consciousness. So how is all of this related to fifth dimension manifesting? When we are operating from the third dimension, or primarily identifying with the physical manifestations in our lives, we lose sight of our connection to our spiritual essence, or that sea of energy just referred to that we are all a part of. 3D manifesting gives a distorted experience of reality, because it implies that we are separate from the unified field of consciousness. The belief of being separate ignites fear and scarcity, diminishing the personal power a person holds. In turn, lower-level emotions are created, such as anger, anxiety, or sadness, and this perpetuates the belief of separation, creating a cycle that can feel hopeless, and a belief in being a victim of circumstance, as previously mentioned. The fifth dimension is a different plane of consciousness, one that consists of more joy, love, and happiness. When there is an understanding that everything is one sea of energy, you can choose to experience any parts of that energy that you want. And when a person understands the power they hold to use their mind in ways that align them with more harmony and synchronistic physical experiences, life changes in positively dynamic ways. This fifth dimension plane of consciousness is available to everyone. You may even be able to see how, as a collective consciousness, We are moving ourselves into this higher plane of consciousness as certain outdated systems that run on the third-dimensional values of scarcity and lack are continuously losing their support. When we are joyous, forgiving, generous, and compassionate, we are operating from this higher state of consciousness because we don't fear loss or rejection or lack. Higher dimensional thoughts and emotions give us access to the higher planes of consciousness. To put it in very simple terms, if we are thinking negative thoughts, we generate lower level emotions. This keeps us in the 3D plane of consciousness and experience. If we are thinking positive thoughts, we generate higher level emotions. This moves us into the 5th dimensional plane of consciousness, where lack and fear are not accepted. Whichever way you choose, a clear thought associated with a strong emotion will determine the kind and quality of life you are experiencing. Here's a simple practice to begin using your consciousness to operate from the 5th dimensional plane so you can manifest your life differently. Number 1. Let the thought sink in that we are all connected energetically, and that what one person might appear to do to you is intended to reflect back to you what you are thinking and feeling internally. The experience or the person is an actor on your stage, playing a part you gave them to play with your consciousness. Don't allow your ego to be in charge at this stage by telling you it's a good idea to continue to hold on to lower-level negative emotions and thoughts. Otherwise, you will remain in the 3D experience of this and keep it in place. Again, it is a choice. Number 2, bring a person or experience into your mind that you feel has wronged you in some way and begin to see them as a teacher or an actor. Number 3, tell yourself that this experience or person has been given to you as a gift to take you closer to the life that you choose to live and to raise your consciousness to a new level. Number 4, use your mind to tell this person or experience thank you for what they have taught you and how they are moving your life closer to the life you choose to live. You might even envision shaking their hand for the role they played to assist you. Imagine a joyous connection and raise your emotional level to gratitude and love. This person or experience is one with you, as all energy is one. And this person or experience was given to you as a gift to spark something inside of you to raise your level of consciousness. And number 5, use this process every time you find yourself feeling triggered by an outer circumstance or person. In this way, you will begin to heal these things and move beyond them. Each time you do this, you raise your consciousness and emotional state to a more heightened level. You may even begin to experience how you are connected to everyone and everything energetically, and to be able to see yourself in all things. In healing the lower level states, you begin to operate from a place of joy, love, and abundance. And in doing so, you manifest your life differently. More experiences that align with joy, love, and abundance begin to become your predominant experience. Quantum physics and 5th dimension manifesting aren't really all that complicated. If you make the choice now to keep an open mind and become aware that what you may believe to be true about a specific person, experience, or a group of persons may actually be the exact truth you hold that is keeping you from manifesting and experiencing the kind of life that you so desire for yourself, you will accelerate your consciousness in your life to the higher dimensions that are completely accessible to you and begin experiencing the wonderful experiences that harmonize with that. And through this process, you discover and become consciously aware of the power you hold to be, do, and have anything that you choose to experience.